Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode with your terrible teacher. That would be me. All right. Today you are going to do the wonderful converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. Welcome to our terrible video. And yes, you have to listen to my terrible voice one more time. Today you will need graphic organizer number 2. You can find it in the box. And our objective for the day is, as a student, you should be able to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. We also have some language objectives, meaning you need to know some very important vocabulary words, such as convert, a mixed number, and improper fraction. All right, we're going to start with the vocabulary. That is the first part of your graphic organizer. I need you to write these down. Convert. What does convert mean? Well, simply to change from one form to another. If you look closely, you'll see this wonderful little video, or not video, I guess it's a picture. I can't even talk today. So, this is a picture of a nice yard, or a field, whatever you want it to be. And if you convert this field, we can convert it to something else, which means to change its form. And hey, look at that, it's an awesome playground now. That's pretty cool. And the next one is mixed number. A mixed number is a whole number and a fraction. It looks like this. The 1 is the whole number, and the 1/4 is the fraction. You should know that by now. And an improper fraction, which is a fraction that's larger than one whole. Or, let's be honest, let's make it easier. It's when the numerator is bigger than the denominator, like this one, 9/5. 9 is bigger than 5. That makes it improper. All right, so we're going to get started on how to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. 5 3/4 is going to be our example. You need to write down these 3 steps. The first step is that you need to multiply the whole number times the denominator. Then you need to add your answer to the numerator. And finally, you need to put that number over the denominator. Let's show you this example. Oh, let's go back. Here we go. We're going to use 5 3/4. Okay? So we have 5 3/4, and the first step said we need to multiply the whole number times the denominator. Well, this is the whole number, okay, and this boxed one is the denominator. What you're simply going to do is you're going to multiply those two together. 4 times 5 gives us 20, and we're going to add the numerator because that is step 2, and that gives us 20 plus 3, which is 23. And we keep our denominator, it just simply slides over. We have 23 over 4. That is our answer, 23/4. We have just completely converted a mixed number to an improper fraction. On your notes, you have an opportunity to do 3 more examples. I'm going to show you those now. We have 6 4/5. We go ahead and take 5 times 6, which gives us 30. We add 4, that gives us 34 over 6. And that's our final answer, 34/6. All right, next one, we have 3 8/9. We're going to take 9 times 3, which is 27, plus our 8. 27 plus 8 gives us 35 over 9, and that's our final answer. And finally, the next one, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Remember, we keep the same denominator. It just slides over, so it's 11/3. Ladies and gentlemen, those are your 3 examples. At this time, you need to get a whiteboard. You need to try these 8. Pause the video. Do it, and then press play on your video, and voila, Mr. Williams will magically show you the answers, and you can check them. He'll also be walking around to check them as you do them. All right, go now. See you later. And we are back. Hopefully you have finished these 8 problems. Here we go. We're going to take 4 times 2 plus 1, which gives us 9 over 4. Next one, 8 times 8, which is 64, plus 3, that gives us 67 over 8. All right, 6 times 2 plus 5, that's 12 plus 5 is 17 over 6. And the next one, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. We keep our denominator, that's 2. All right, whoa, can't circle my answers very well. Here we go. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Keep our denominator, it's 16/3. Next one, 12 times 10, big number, 120, plus 7, that gives us 127 over 12. 127 over 12, yes, that's a 7. Next one, 4 times 9 gives us 36, plus 1 is 37 over 4. That's the answer you should have. And finally, 6 times 6 is 36, plus 5 gives us 41 over 6. Ladies and gentlemen, those are your 8 answers. Hopefully you got all of them correct. And, by the way, this is the end of our video of converting a mixed number to an improper fraction. If you need any help, please see one of the adult facilitators in the room or ask your computation Or sorry, I take that back, your human calculator or your help desk associate. Somebody in your group should be able to do these things. All right, ladies and gentlemen, have a wonderful afternoon. Goodbye.